Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vinaigrette salad dressing. To begin, gather your ingredients: 3 parts oil, 1 part vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. You'll also need a bowl and a whisk. This simple ratio is the foundation for a delicious dressing, allowing for endless customization later. It's truly an easy method to elevate any salad, making your meals more enjoyable. Selecting the right oil and vinegar is key to your vinaigrette's character. Extra virgin olive oil offers a robust, fruity base, while lighter oils like grapeseed provide a neutral canvas. For vinegar, red wine or apple cider are classic, but balsamic or white wine vinegar can add unique notes. Don't forget to consider additions like a teaspoon of Dijon mustard or a clove of minced garlic for an extra flavor boost. Now for the mixing. In your bowl, combine the vinegar, salt, and pepper. Whisk these together thoroughly. Then, slowly drizzle in your chosen oil in a thin, steady stream while continuously whisking. This gradual addition and constant agitation are crucial for emulsifying the dressing, creating a smooth, cohesive texture that won't separate easily. Keep whisking until it looks creamy and well blended. Your fresh vinaigrette is ready. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Before serving again, give it a good shake. Feel free to get creative with your next batch. Try adding fresh herbs like parsley or dill, a squeeze of lemon juice, or even a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.